Please all stand. May I request one student to lead the prayer. Good morning, class. So before you take your seats, please pick up a piece of paper and arrange your chairs properly. Okay? You can now take your seats. So class secretary, who is absent for today? So before we start our class, let me present to you our classroom rules. First, we had be quiet when the teacher is talking. Next, respect and listen and refrain from insult and bullying. Third, turn off your phones. Fourth, raise your hand if you have a question or if you want to answer. And lastly, talk only if you are asked to. So before we proceed, let me present to you our incentive chart. So, this incentive chart represents your score. So, if you answer the question correctly, you will get 5 points, which is this yellow B. Next, if you answer the question with one mistake, you will get this black B. And lastly, if you answer with 2 or more mistakes, you will get this white B, which represent 1 point. So now, let me introduce to you our objectives. So at the end of the lesson, students should be able to A. Identify radius and diameter of a circle. B. Calculate the key measurement of a circle. And lastly, appreciate the lesson by citing real-life example. So now, activity number 1, scramble words. So, the student will be grouped into 3 groups. Each group will be provided with answer sheets for the scramble words. So now, let me group you into 3 groups, starting with counting 1 to 3. 1, 2, and 3. And so on. Here's your answer sheets. You only have 3 minutes to answer this one. Okay, are you done? Please collect the answer sheets. Okay, so let's answer the first scramble word. Okay, circle. Very good. Coming from group 2, what is this number 2? Okay, very good. Radius. Next, group 3. Diameter. And lastly, from group 1. Okay, very good. So, how do you find the activity? What is easy for you to arrange the scrambled words? Okay, now, based on your activity, what do you think is our topic for today? So now, let's proceed in activity number 2. So, using the word you have unlocked from the previous activity, complete the missing letter in the sentence. Any volunteer? Number 1, C. Very good. Next, still C. Next, coming from group 2, L. Next, okay, number 5. Next, number 13, which is letter M. Next, okay, number 5. Next, coming from group 3, we have number 15. Very good. And lastly, the number 10. Okay, letter H. So, let us all read what we created. Circle is a round, two-dimensional shape. Okay, very good. What can you say about the solution? It is easy or difficult? How can we find the diameter? Now, since I guess some of you will have guessed what was our topic today, let me present to you the diameter and radius of a circle. So diameter, the distance across a circle through its center. Radius is a line segment from the center to the edge of a circle. Here are the formula. Radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. Diameter is equal to radius times 2. Here are the example for finding the radius. We had 108 centimeter. By finding the radius, we are going to use the formula radius equals to diameter divided by 2, which is 108 centimeter divided by 2. The answer is, okay, from group 2. Very good, 54 centimeter. So, because of that, group 2 will be earned 5 points. Next, we had the finding the diameter. We have the given of 48 centimeter in radius. So we are going to use the formula of diameter is equal to radius divided by I times 2, which is diameter is equal to the given 48 centimeter, which is the radius, times 2. The answer will be 96 centimeter. Okay, very good. Now, what can you say about the solution? It was easy or difficult? How can we find the diameter and radius of a circle? Okay, very good. Now, let's have a group activity that you can apply the knowledge that gained from our discussion. With the same group, each group will be assigned with different tasks to perform. So, in regard, multiple intelligence of the learner are being evaluated. Okay, group 1, 2, and 3. With that, I will give you 10 minutes to answer that. Now, before you start, let me present our rubrics. So, criteria, we have accuracy 50%, cooperation and discipline, 30%, and timeliness, which is 20%. So, you will gain 50% if the group has produced an output with no error. All the important concepts are presented clearly. 49 to 30 if the group has given one incorrect answer. 29 and 1% if the group has given two or more mistakes. Next, cooperation and discipline, 30%. You get 30% if all the members of the group have participated actively. 29 to 20%, one member of the group has not participated. 19% to 1% if only the leader or has displayed an interest during the activity. So, timeliness, 20%. 20% if you finish it on time. Okay? 19 to 10% if finish 1 to 2 minutes after the given time. So, 9 to 1% if finish 3 or more in the given time. Okay, now, you can start. 10 minutes, start now. Okay, time's up. Let me collect your group sheets. Group 1. So in accuracy, the group has produced an output with no error. So you will receive 50%. Cooperation, did all of you work? 30%. Timeliness, finish it on time, 20%. Next, we have the group 2. Okay, accuracy, 50%. Cooperation, I saw one student using his phone. You will be deducted 1, which means 29%. Timeliness, 20%. Next, for the group 3, the group has one incorrect answer. So, it's 49%. Cooperation, I see, 30%. And lastly, timeliness is 20%. With a total of 199 and 99. So, group 1, you can earn 5 points in our incentive chart. Now, I want you class to cite at least one example where we can apply the concept of circle in our real life situation. Okay, so to sum up the lesson that we tackled today, I will ask you regarding our lesson. So if you answer this one correctly, you will be given points in our incentive chart. So the first question is, what is a circle? Okay, correct. As we all know, a circle is a round two-dimensional shape. Okay, group. What group? 5 points. Group 3. So, number 2. How to find the radius and diameter of a circle? Can you give the formula? Okay, very good. So, since I know for sure all of you will be So now, let's proceed to the evaluation. So, in direction, we had write the letter of the correct answer in the space provided before the number. Okay, pass forward. So, in evaluation, I will give you only 3 minutes since it was easy to solve. Okay, time's up. So the first question is, find the diameter of a circle. Who wants to answer? Number 1. Okay, very good. Letter B, 66 centimeter. Number 2, which of the following is the formula of radius? Very good. Letter C, radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. Number 3, if the circle has a diameter of 110 centimeter, its radius would be 55 centimeter. Letter A. So, it is a half of the radius. Okay. Number 4, it is a half of the diameter. Okay, correct. Letter A. So, last but not the least, number 5. Blank is a round two-dimensional shape. Coming from group 3. Very good. Circle. Letter D. Who got 5/5? Okay. So, last, I will give you an assignment. So, create a circle with radius and diameter at least 5 circle with the diameter and the radius. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for your cooperation.